Can anxiety cause left arm pain? Anxiety and panic attacks can cause a range of physical symptoms, including pain. Some people with anxiety may experience left arm pain. By treating the underlying mental health condition, a person may find that the pain improves. Anxiety disorders are the most common form of mental illness. About 18.1% of the adult population in the United States experiences an anxiety disorder each year. It can be difficult to determine whether someone is having a heart attack or a panic attack. Can anxiety cause arm pain? Anxiety can cause pain in several ways. For some people, this pain might appear in the left arm. According to the Anxiety and Depression Association of America, people with anxiety often experience chronic pain from muscle tension, soreness, or headaches. Tension or pain might occur in the arms as a result. People who experience anxiety may also have panic attacks. Panic attacks or anxiety attacks are periods of intense anxiety. They can cause symptoms that are similar to those of a heart attack, such as chest pain, arm pain, a rapid heartbeat, and shortness of breath. Additionally, anxiety and stress may make it more difficult for people with pre-existing conditions such as arthritis or fibromyalgia to cope with the pain that they cause. Other causes of arm pain. If therapy, medications, or relaxation techniques do not help treat arm pain, another health condition may be responsible for this symptom. According to the United Kingdom's National Health Service, other causes of arm pain include injury or trauma, tendonitis, frozen shoulder, arthritis, angina. Nerve pain or damage to the back or shoulder may also cause pain in the left arm. In some cases, left arm pain is a symptom of a heart attack. Heart attack occurs when a blockage prevents blood flow around the heart. It is a medical emergency that requires immediate treatment. The symptoms of a heart attack can include pain and discomfort in the left arm, chest, neck, or back, shortness of breath, lightheadedness, sweating, nausea, or vomiting. With a heart attack, the arm pain may set in gradually or begin suddenly. Usually, it will last a few minutes or come and go repeatedly. When to see a doctor. It can be difficult to distinguish between a panic attack and a heart attack. If someone has left arm pain due to anxiety or panic attacks, they may wish to speak to a doctor or therapist. These professionals will be able to talk through the treatment options and help the person begin to manage their anxiety. Anxiety can cause pain in the left arm. If it is due to a panic attack or muscle tension, it is likely to be temporary. But people with anxiety disorders may also experience chronic pain. Anxiety is a treatable condition. A doctor might suggest therapy, medications, or stress management techniques to help. Using massage or heat to relax the muscles may also relieve pain in the short term. There are other causes of arm pain, so it is important to speak to a doctor. If someone has persistent pain, it could be a sign of another medical condition.